Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. It is time for me to reveal my April new releases in my shop. So let's get started. First of all, here is the freebie for the month of April. For every order placed in April, you will get this little sticker sheet printed on premium white matte sticker paper. You get the swatches, the circles, the deco stickers, a couple of icons, and a script sticker. And I love this month's, is so cute. Then the first collection is a new set of splatter swatch ink splatter stickers, and these ones I named the shimmering ones because I wanted to make sure that you get a little bit of a shimmering effect with these ones. So this first one is called Gold Pink because the shimmer in it is gold. The base color is more of a dusty pink, and I love the way that that works. I printed this on clear matte. Highly recommend the clear matte, but if you like the premium matte, it can be done on that as well. But I like the clear matte because it makes it look like you've actually done an ink splatter on your journal. The next one is a purple magenta. So there's little bits of purple shimmer here that I've been able to show off, and I really love that one. So purple magenta. This one is silver brown. The shimmer in here is a bit silvery, and the base color is a lighter brown. I love the effect of this one. Really pretty. And then the last one here is a magenta green. So the shimmer in here is kind of that magenta color, and then you get the different shading effects of the green. So now those are the shimmering ink splatters, and you can either buy them individually or as a whole set of 4. The next collection are the Dragonflies, and these are all hand painted by me using fountain pen ink, and then I scan them and make them into stickers. So I drew out, so this is more of like a line and wash type of painting with the Dragonflies, where I tried to create different gradients and different blending with the fountain pen, 2 different color fountain pen inks, and I really like the way that these turned out. These feel darker rather than very spring pastel, but I like the way that that looks. So that's the deco sheet. Then you have the dots and swatches, and I like using these both for deco but also for headers. I use these to mark off specific dates. I really like these. And then we have the Dragonfly circles. So these ones are basically bigger versions of the dots, but I use these for decoration. The reason that I create this is so that we have a whole matching set, that I've used the same fountain pen ink colors to create these, but because I'm doing these on watercolor paper, I get more of that watercolor blending effect. And then lastly, we have the quote and washi, so miniature deco with a quote and then little washi as well. So that is the Dragonfly collection. You can purchase that as a full collection or a la carte, and you can purchase it as clear matte stickers or premium white matte. The next collection is the Dandelions collection, and I love these. These are so fun and whimsical, and the colors just pop, and they're just so punchy. So here we have the Dandelions, and the way that I've painted them is kind of a, first did a wet on wet technique and then wet on dry, and I love the way that these look. These are more of like a fantasy type of dandelion, but I really love the way that those turned out. And then you have the matching dots and swatches, the matching circles, and a little bit of the shimmer effect there. When I say shimmer effect, I mean that the color, or the way that this was scanned, you can see some of the shimmer from the ink, not saying that there's actual shimmer on the sticker. And then you have the quote and the washi. The teeny tiny dandelions are so cute. So once again, this is the Dandelions collection, available as a collection of 4 or a la carte, and again as either clear matte or premium white matte. Then I just felt like painting all of the cups that I would love in my house, and I'm using fountain pen ink that I actually have inked in my pens currently. So this is the All the Cups collection, and I love the way that these turned out. They're so cute. Katie said that they reminded her of the unbirthday celebration in Alice in Wonderland, and I love that visual. I loved creating these because when you add water to fountain pen ink and kind of swirl it around on watercolor paper, you really get this chromatography effect, and I love that I was able to capture that. And then with this particular cup, being able to see some of the blending of all the different colors, and then the polka dots. It's just such a cute visual of all of these cups. So there is the deco sheet. I think this would look good as on clear matte or premium white matte as well, so either one. And then you have the matching dots and swatches. And then you have the matching circles. And then lastly, the quote and washi. I mean, like, I love the washi stickers. They are so cute. They look like the cups are just dancing around there on the page. So that is the All the Cups collection. Again, available as a collection of 4 or a la carte on premium white matte or clear matte sticker paper. Then lastly, I wanted to do a flower for the month of April, and one of the florals for April is the daisy. I know I have done a daisy in the past, but that was created in Procreate, and I wanted to do something in the loose watercolor style. So here we have the daisies, and I love the way that these turned out. You've got really soft kind of beige colors mixed with a little bit of purple, and then the stamen in this inside is like orange and brown, and then you've got the beautiful color of the leaves. I love that I was able to capture that in sticker form. And then you have the matching dots and swatches. I really wanted to capture more of the accent colors versus the main color of the daisy itself. And then you have the matching circles. Love the chromatography that happened in this particular circle. And then lastly, you have the quote and washi. Daisies are the friendliest flower. And funny enough, my husband and I just watched You've Got Mail last night. But like, look at that. Just love how the washi turned out. Again, it looks like just the flowers are dancing in the wind. So these are the Daisies collection, available as a collection of 4 or individually a la carte, and it's available as clear matte or premium white matte sticker paper. So there are all of the collections for my April release. And just as a side note as well, all of the collections, mine is the freebie, all of these collections will also be available as a digital download. So if you have the ability or want to be able to just print them yourself and cut them at home, they are available as a digital download for you. So that is it for my April new release. These will be out this Friday, April 12th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. And you can use the code APRILSHOWERS to get 15% off until Monday, April 12, 13, 14, 15. I need to know my dates. So I'm giving you a whole 4 days to be able to use the 15% off code in my shop. Once again, thank you all so much for watching, and thank you for giving me the opportunity to be able to do this, to be able to expand my creativity, but to be able to share it with you as well has just been an amazing adventure. So thank you all so much. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.